morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Javier and this is Fast TV. So guys, today we're over at the Navarre Beach AUTORAMA. It is the 22nd annual show here over in Navarre High School. So guys, there's some really cool cars so far I've seen. As usual, I'm just going to walk through, show you some of the cool rides, try to feature a couple of them, and we'll just go from there. I'm not going to try to do too much talking, guys, so I'm going to show you some of these cool cars I just saw today. There's actually one specific vehicle that I like, you know, big guy, little car, but I'll show you guys that here in just a minute. Man, that looks good. All right, guys, they still have a bunch of more cars that are still coming up today, but unfortunately, I do have to leave. I have to go work on the NSX today while I have help. So, thank you for joining me. As usual, you already know, hit that like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Also, leave a comment. Is there a particular vehicle that you liked? Is there something you want me to do different on these videos that you like? Tell me, guys. I'm putting this together, not just for me, but for you too. So let me know what you like. Put it on the comments below. And on that, catch you in the next one.